Dear students, welcome to this video. We will be discussing here differentiation on trigonometrical transformations. So in this topic we have to recall, we have to remember some very simple formula and we can do the exercises very easily. So let us start with some exercises. First question. If y is equal to tan inverse 1 minus cos x upon sin x, then find derivative of y with respect to x. Here for numerator 1 minus cos x, we will use the formula 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x, and for denominator sin x we can use formula 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. So we can write here y is equal to tan inverse 1 minus cos x will be 2 sin square x by 2, and sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Here 2 will be cancelled out, this is square will be cancelled out with sin x by 2. So we are getting here y is equal to tan inverse sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2, that is tan x by 2. So this is tan x by 2, and we know the formula tan inverse of tan x by 2 will be equal to x by 2. Now it has been reduced in a very simple form. So therefore derivative of y with respect to x d dx of x by 2, this is equal to half. This is the answer. Now let us see next question. If y is equal to tan inverse root 1 plus cos x upon 1 minus cos x, then find derivative of y with respect to x. So here we can use the formula 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x, and 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. So we can write here, therefore y is equal to tan inverse root over 2 cos square x upon 2 sin square x. 2 will be cancelled out, and cos square x by sin square x is cot square x, and square root is cot x. So we are getting here y is equal to tan inverse cot of x. And you see here x we are having here, so we will write here x by 2, x by 2, x by 2. And here tan inverse and cot is here, so we have to simplify it. So this cot x by 2 can be written as tan of pi by 2 minus x by 2. So this is equal to tan inverse of tan pi by 2 minus x by 2. And you know tan inverse of tan theta is equal to theta. So we are getting y is equal to pi by 2 minus x by 2, and therefore derivative of y with respect to x, this is equal to minus half. Since derivative of y by 2 being constant, its derivative will be 0, so minus half. This is the answer. It was question number 2. Now let us see next question. If y is equal to tan inverse root over 1 plus sin x upon 1 minus sin x, find derivative of y with respect to x. Here y is tan inverse root over 1 plus, we can write this sin x as cos of pi by 2 minus x, so that we can reduce it in a simple form very easily. And similarly, this can be written as 1 minus sine of, we can write here, sorry, we'll write here cos of pi by 2 minus x. So cos pi by 2 minus x is equal to sin x. And this is equal to tan inverse root over 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. So with the help of this formula, we can write here 2 cos square pi by 2 minus x whole divided by 2. And similarly, 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. So this is equal to 2 sin square pi by 2 minus x whole divided by 2. 2 will be cancelled out, and cos square by sin square is cot square, it's square root, so we get this is equal to tan inverse cot of pi by 2 minus x whole divided by 2, and this is equal to tan inverse. Now this cot theta can be written as tan of pi by 2 minus theta, so pi by 2 minus, this is pi by 4 minus x by 2, pi by 4 minus x by 2. Now tan inverse of tan theta is equal to theta, so we can write this is equal to pi by 2 minus pi by 4 minus minus plus x by 2, this is equal to pi by 4 plus x by 2. So therefore, derivative of y with respect to derivative of pi by 4 is 0 and derivative of x by 2 is half. So this is the answer. Now you see next question. If y is equal to cot inverse root over 1 plus sin x plus root over 1 minus sin x upon root over 1 plus sin x minus root over 1 minus sin x, then find dy by dx. You see, here one can be written as cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2, and this sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. So here y is equal to cot inverse root over cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 into cos of x by 2. And similarly, next term can be written as root over cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2, this much gives 1, and minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. divided by, you see, denominator can be written as in the same form. So this is cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2, and plus this next term cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, and this is equal to cot inverse. This is in the form of a plus b whole square, and root sign is here. So simply this can be written as cos of x by 2 plus sin of x by 2. Similarly, this can be written as cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 plus cos of x by 2 minus sin of x by 2. And denominator is also in the same pattern. So this is cos of x by 2 plus sin of x by 2, and sorry, minus sign is here. We have a negative sign. So minus cos x by 2, this minus becomes plus sin x by 2. This plus sin x by 2 minus sin x by 2 will be cancelled out. Similarly here cos x by 2 minus cos x by 2 will be cancelled out. So this is equal to cot inverse of, in numerator you are getting 2 cos x by 2, and in denominator we are getting 2 sin x by 2. 2 will be cancelled out. So this is equal to cot inverse of cos x by 2 upon sin x by 2 cot x by 2, cot of x by 2, and this is equal to x by 2. So therefore derivative of y with respect to x is derivative of x by 2 with respect to x, and this is equal to half. This is the answer. Next question. If y is equal to cot inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x, then we have to find derivative of y with respect to x. We can put here x is equal to tan theta, then it will be reduced in a very simple trigonometrical form. So we will get y is equal to cot inverse 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta, and this is equal to cot inverse. This can be written as tan of pi by 4 minus theta. By using this formula, tan a minus b is equal to 1 minus tan a into tan b upon 1 plus tan a into tan. We can use this formula here, and we can write here tan of pi by 4 minus theta. And you see here is cot inverse, but tan is here, so we can reduce this tan into cot. So this is equal to cot inverse. Now this tan can be written as cot of pi by 2 minus pi by 4 minus theta. So this is equal to cot inverse cot of pi by 2 minus pi by 4, that is pi by 4, and this is plus theta. Cot inverse of cot x is x, so this is equal to pi by 4 plus theta. So we are getting here y is equal to this much, pi by 4 plus theta, and theta is equal to tan inverse x. So this is equal to pi by 4 plus tan inverse x, and therefore now we can get the result. Derivative of y with respect to x is equal to, this is constant, so its derivative will be 0, and you know derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 by x is 1 plus x square. So ddx of pi by 4 plus ddx of tan inverse x. So this is 0 plus 1 by 1 plus x square. So finally 1 by 1 plus x square. This is the answer. Derivative of y with respect to x. So dear students, we can do these questions very easily. Just do some more practices. And I hope you might have got benefit from these videos. So please share these videos with your friends also, and please subscribe my channel so that I could update you for other video in time. Thank you very much.